I really like non-scale victories.
Yes.
My favorite non-scale victory of all time is fewer medications.
Yes.
Like seriously, what's better than not having to take medications? Whether it's, blood pressure medication or anxiety medication.
Yeah.
A lot of people come to keto for the weight loss.
Yep.
That seems to be like the thing that gets them through the door, the thing that gives them the push. And they're astonished at all the other health issues that eating the proper way or cutting out sugar
Yeah.
will help them with.
Yep. So they come for weight loss and they stay for the benefits.
Yeah. I know people who have effectively cured type 2 diabetes, taking care of gout. And now gout's a funny one because it gets worse before it gets better.
Usually, yeah.
Because
So
the
you have to be
ketones and the
careful with
gout compete, or the uric
Uric
acid,
acid.
they compete. But it's really funny though, because when you find those additional benefits, that can really be a strong why. Like why you stick with keto. Is it because now your knees don't hurt, or you don't have gout flare-ups? Like our friend who has gout, he eats anything with carbs, and he's like, yeah, it feels like someone's smashing your toe with a ball peen hammer.
Yeah.
Pain is a great motivator.
Yep. Well, one thing in our Keto Salt Lake conference, Donald Vega from Costa Rica, he said that there's two reasons for your why. It's pain or pleasure. Like either you're going to stop feeling pain, or you're in pain, or something's causing you pain, and so you want to stop that, or you want to have more pleasure, and so you want to spend time with your kids, you want to last longer, you want to be able to kneel on the floor.
Which are the motivators for change? There are two. One, gain pleasure. Second one, avoid pain. Those are the two main forces that drive your decisions. On the left, on the top, the one that is jumping. This was a lady who wanted to, one of our patients, who wanted to completely transform her life and become the fittest that she has ever been. So that was what motivated her. So remember, somebody that is comfortable will not change. And somebody was saying before that if you focus on your weight, I want to lose 10 pounds, I want to lose 20 pounds, but there's no substance behind that change. Change is not going to be effective. You need to know why, and this was her why. She wanted to change. She wanted to become the fittest she has ever been.
Find your why.
Yep.